Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom. I want to thank you for tuning in and watch this quick tip about the SQ series. Let's jump on the tip of the day.
Hello guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your left, right plus your mono output channel. So what I normally do is this: go on setup, mix configuration. I make sure that my matrix 1 is in stereo and my second matrix is in mono. After I go on processing, I select matrix 1. I'm gonna call this left and right, so this would be my output for left and right. I'm gonna call matrix 2 mono, but what I normally do, I use this for my subs, so I'm gonna call these subs. I'm gonna do just yellow just to change a bit of color. Okay, so next things that we're gonna do, we're gonna select our main left and right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send -5 dB. That's how my starting point, and after it's up to you to change, but I'm gonna send my left and right to my left and right matrix, and my subs the same things, like -5 dB. After that you do that, you just need to make sure if you want to delay the subs, you go on processing, and if you want to do any delay, you press in and you insert the delay that you want to use it. So it's up to you, 5, 3, I mean it's up to you. You just need to measure how much delay you need to use it. Last things that you need to remember that you need to do is go on your I/O and you need to patch your output. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you on the laptop, so it's easier. So in here I've done 11, 12 and A, but what you can do 10, 11, oh sorry, you can do 10, 11 and 12. So 10, 11 will be your left and right, and 12 will be your subs on your mono output.
Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe if you find the video useful. Just remember that these are all tips basic for a new user of SQ series. If you want to see more stuff in depth, I've got quite a lot of stuff on my channel, and I'm recording every day new stuff. So if you are interested, just subscribe to the channel so you will be updated with all my new videos. Thank you.